You're stuck in traffic, running late, and watching gas prices climb higher every day. What if there was a way to cut through the gridlock, save money, and actually enjoy your commute instead of dreading it? Urban electric bikes are changing the game, offering a faster, eco-friendly, and more convenient way to navigate city streets. They save time, reduce transportation costs, and make commuting stress-free. But with so many options out there, which one is right for you? We've rounded up 9 of the best urban e-bikes to help you find the perfect match. Product links are in the description below. Check them out for more details or to grab your ideal ride. Let's dive in. We begin with the Hill Miles Mileport 1, a compact and foldable e-bike that's built for city life. With a 350-watt motor, it reaches speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, making it perfect for fast, efficient commuting. The 40-mile range means you won't have to worry about daily charging, giving you the freedom to move around the city without interruptions. Plus, the lightweight frame makes it easy to carry upstairs or onto public transport, a crucial factor for urban riders. One key detail to consider is battery integration. This bike's built-in battery improves stability and keeps the design sleek while making it less exposed to damage. Another crucial detail is the quick folding mechanism, allowing you to store it easily in small apartments or office spaces. The frame geometry is designed for a comfortable, upright riding posture, reducing strain on your back and shoulders. If you need a space-saving, commuter-friendly e-bike that doesn't compromise performance, the Mileport 1 is an excellent option. Next, we have the Jation EB5, an affordable yet feature-packed e-bike that balances power and comfort. Equipped with a 350-watt motor, it reaches up to 20 miles per hour, while its 360-watt-hour removable battery delivers up to 40 miles of range, making it a great choice for those who want flexibility when it comes to charging. The front suspension smooths out bumps, making city rides more comfortable, especially on uneven roads. When choosing an e-bike, battery placement is key. This one's removable design allows for easy charging anywhere, whether at home, work, or a cafe. Another great feature is its sturdy frame, built to handle urban conditions without feeling too heavy, which is important for riders who need durability but don't want an overly bulky bike. The pedal assist offers multiple levels, letting you customize the amount of electric boost based on your riding needs. If you're looking for an easy-to-maintain, budget-friendly ride with solid performance and comfortable handling, the Jation EB5 is a strong contender. In third place, we have the ENGWE EP2PRO, a powerhouse with a 750-watt motor and fat tires that can handle city streets and off-road adventures alike. It reaches a top speed of 28 miles per hour and offers a range of 50 miles, making it ideal for longer commutes or weekend rides beyond the city. The wide tires provide extra grip and stability, reducing the impact of potholes and making it safer on slippery or rough surfaces. Despite its power, it folds down for convenient storage, a rare feature for such a high-performance e-bike. A major consideration when choosing an e-bike is weight. This one is heavier than others but provides extra durability and stability, making it an excellent choice for riders who prioritize performance over portability. Another standout feature is the LCD screen, which offers real-time data on speed, battery life, and riding mode, helping you stay informed during your rides. The upgraded braking system ensures strong stopping power even at high speeds, which is essential for urban riding. If you need a high-performance urban e-bike that's versatile and powerful, this one is for you. Now, let's talk about the colorway BK15, a sleek and lightweight e-bike designed for riders who value portability and style. With a 250-watt motor, it's best suited for city commuting, offering a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a 30-mile range. The streamlined frame makes it easy to maneuver through traffic, helping you weave through congestion with ease. Before choosing an e-bike, consider weight and portability. This one is ideal for those who need a lightweight option that can be carried indoors when necessary. Another important factor is its smooth acceleration, which makes for a comfortable and controlled ride, perfect for first-time e-bike riders or those who want a relaxed commuting experience. The battery charges quickly, so you won't have to wait long between rides. If you want an urban e-bike that's stylish, efficient, and easy to handle, the colorway BK15 is a solid choice. Moving on, we have the Ice&Wheel U1, a foldable e-bike that prioritizes practicality and ease of use. Its 350-watt motor provides a 20-mile-per-hour top speed, while its battery offers a range of 30 to 40 miles, making it a great middle ground option for daily commuting. One of its key advantages is its ultra-light aluminum frame, making it one of the most portable e-bikes on this list and perfect for riders who frequently combine biking with public transportation. When picking an e-bike, portability is key. This one folds up quickly for easy storage in cars, offices, or small apartments. Another plus is its responsive braking system, which enhances safety in stop-and-go city traffic, giving you precise control over your stops. The saddle is designed for comfort, allowing for longer rides without discomfort. If you need an urban e-bike that's compact, easy to carry, and efficient, the Eisenwheel U1 is a fantastic choice. Let's take a look at the ESKU TEC 100, a stylish and powerful commuter bike with a 500-watt motor and a 22-mile-per-hour top speed. It boasts a 50-mile range, making it one of the best long-distance options for city riders. Its integrated battery keeps the frame looking sleek while improving balance, creating a smoother and more stable ride. When choosing an e-bike, range is a major factor. This one's long-lasting battery is great for extended commutes and daily use. Another valuable feature is its pedal assist system, which adjusts power based on how hard you're pedaling, making it feel more natural compared to e-bikes that rely solely on throttle. The tires have puncture-resistant technology, reducing the chances of flats and saving you from inconvenient repairs. If you want an e-bike that blends design, power, and practicality, the ESKU TEC 100 is a standout choice. Now, let's talk about the ENGBUE E26, a powerful e-bike for riders who need speed and durability. With a 750-watt motor and large 26-inch tires, it offers a smooth, stable ride at speeds up to 28 miles per hour, perfect for those who want a performance-focused commuting option. The 50-mile range makes it great for longer urban rides or weekend adventures. Suspension is a crucial factor for comfort. This bike's front suspension absorbs shocks from potholes and rough roads, making the ride more enjoyable. Another major plus is its high weight capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of riders, including those carrying extra cargo. The LED headlight and taillight increase visibility for safer night rides. If you're looking for a high-performance e-bike that handles city streets and beyond, this is a great investment. Next, let's check out the QLife ATU S001, a budget-friendly yet capable urban e-bike. With a 350-watt motor and a removable 360-watt-hour battery, it reaches 20 miles per hour and offers a 40-mile range, perfect for daily commutes without frequent recharges. Its lightweight aluminum frame ensures easy maneuverability, while the quick folding mechanism makes it ideal for small apartments or office storage. The pedal assist system offers multiple levels, allowing you to control the effort required. If you're looking for a compact, efficient, and affordable e-bike, the QLife ATU S001 is a solid choice. Finally, we have the HeyBike Cityscape 2.0, a stylish commuter e-bike designed for comfortable and smooth rides. Powered by a 350-watt motor, it offers a 20-mile-per-hour top speed and a 40-mile range, making it an excellent daily rider. One of its standout features is the step-through frame, which makes mounting and dismounting effortless, especially for riders who prefer a more relaxed position. The suspension fork absorbs road bumps for a plush and stable ride, while the rear rack provides extra utility for carrying cargo. If you want an urban e-bike that blends comfort, functionality, and aesthetics, the HeyBike Cityscape 2.0 is a fantastic pick. So, which e-bike should you choose? If you need a foldable and lightweight model, go for the Hill Miles Mileport 1, Eisenwheel U1, or ENGWE EP2 Pro. If affordability and reliability matter most, the Jason EB5 and QLife ATUS 001 are fantastic budget-friendly choices. For riders who need long-distance capability, the eScoot C100 and ENGWE E26 offer excellent range. If style and maneuverability are your top priorities, the colorway BK15 and HeyBike Cityscape 2.0 are standout options. Consider your daily commute. Do you need portability, power, or extra range? Think about battery placement, weight, and suspension. If you're tackling steep hills, choose a higher wattage motor. If comfort is your priority, opt for a model with front suspension. The right e-bike will transform your ride and make commuting a breeze. Check the links in the description to find your perfect match. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow riders.